Hello. Engineering teams make a lot of decisions, but after a few months, nobody remembers why they made them. Or if a person who was in the decision-making team left the company or team, then when a new person is onboarded into that project, they won't know like why a particular decision was made. So it can be chance that someone proposes the same idea again, even though it was already rejected or maybe it was already tried and failed. So that is a problem that I worked on during this hackathon, and I built Foreknow to solve the same. So Foreknow, it is a self-hosted AI decision memory that is built on Cognee. It remembers your engineering, it remembers your team's engineering history, answers questions with evidence, and warns before you repeat the same old mistakes that was already done, lets you explore the decision graph, and even permanently delete a system that has been retired. So talking about the architecture, as you can see, it is under the hood, it's built with Python, React, and Cognee. This is the main that is used. And for the there is no external AI dependencies. For the LLM providers, I'm using OpenAI API key. Also, we have options for using Grok, and for embeddings, we are using the local fast embed model. Now, each of Cognee's four functionalities powers a different part of the system. That is, the remember builds the knowledge graph from engineering documents. Memify analyzes that graph and discovers contradictions and supersessions between the decisions ahead of time. Graph search powers both ask and check, which are the functionalities of Foreknow, by following relationships instead of just matching keywords. And then finally, forget, it permanently removes retired systems from memory instead of simply hiding them. So that is talking about the architecture and tech stack we have used in this project. So this is the project structure. Now for the demo, I'll show you. So this is the UI screen of Foreknow. As you can see, it has functionalities like ask, check, and the graph. So for this demo purpose, I'm showing you the check proposal functionality. So here, like I'm giving in a proposal, like I'm proposing a change to migrate the payment services to DynamoDB, and I'm giving check proposal. Before that, like for the demo purpose, I'm using the data. The primary corpus data is the node.js decision history from the time span of 2019 to 24 arc. So as you can see, the Foreknow is working. It is checking this proposal which I have suggested. It takes time, like as you can see, the certain features or steps that is taking place. But under the hood, it takes minimum up to 60 seconds until we can get a response based upon the data that is there in the decision graph. So until it returns the answers, we can say that under the hood, what it does is, when the documents are ingested, Cognee first builds a knowledge graph, then Memify analyzes that graph and creates explicit contradiction and supersession relationships between decisions. So when I submit a proposal, Foreknow extracts the main claim, searches the graph, and then follows those relationships that were already computed during ingestion. So as you can see, there it is. We have got the result. That is, it provides the contradictions or even an experiment which was already tried and failed along with the score. So as you can see here, it shows that this proposal, it contradicts with an already decided a feature, and also the matching score on why contradicts. So here it shows that, and also shows like this was already tried and failed. So this is the check functionality of Foreknow. Apart from that, there is a feature to show RAG versus graph ingest functionality. Then this is the knowledge